We're back at it again with another video. So for today, we're actually gonna go pick up a part, not for my car, but for the homie bhris. He's gonna pick up something for his car. I won't tell you guys just yet. You guys are gonna have to wait. But just know we got a 2-hour drive ahead of us. So we're looking forward to that. Just gonna go get the parts, and that's it. Besides that, I made a decision last night, and I acquired a new car. So stay tuned for that one, because that will come out pretty soon. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing going. Alright, so I'll give you guys a hint on the surprise that I got for you guys. Just know it's that. That's the brand. Rockefeller Street. We're about to pull up to fucking
airport, smuggle some drugs.
This motherfucker.
Canada.
We're posted up here. We're about to arrive and fuck shit up and steal some shit. We're about to come up, but we're about to pull up to the spot. Have arrived. The homie's excited, but we're here now, so we're just gonna go get off and see what's up and pick the shit that we came for. So let's get it. So here we are. This is what we're gonna pick up today. Some confetti seats for the homie bhris. We're at the JDM of California. We're just posted up right now. So we're gonna get those seats, install them on the DC5. Not sure if we're gonna install. I doubt we're gonna install them today because he still needs the seat rails. But yep, that's part of his car now. So fuck yeah. There you go. So we're seeing the other ones that were there, and like the letters were all black. I was like, damn, hopefully it's not those, but these are all clean.
Looked out.
Hell yeah, for sure. The only one that has is just a little hole right here. It's just right there, but
Some Sharpie.
some Sharpie. Throw it on that shit. But hey, homie has fucking the seats now, so let's get it. I just gotta install them on the DC5, that's about it. And that should fit perfectly. So yeah, we're gonna go home. We're gonna fix the homie's Infinity.
Let's go before they change their mind, bro. Give us the fucked up
give
ones.
us the wrong ones. But yeah, that's it. It's a wrap.
Yeah, that shit's nice.
Yes, sir. We pulled up to fucking Raising Cane's. We're about to get that Caniac combo. And Mikey, if you're watching this video, it's Mikey's favorite. Oh shit, look at that. That's the same color. Oh fuck, I already proved it. Fuck it. I'm gonna block that so you guys can't see what it is, but it just passed the car that I just got, so damn. I'm excited for that, so I'm gonna get that Monday. So I'm gonna do a reveal video on that. But yep, we're gonna pick up some canes, head back home, and then fix the homie's radiator issue and bumper.
The G35, I got a bumper to fix, a radiator to fix. That's pretty much it. Hey, I just woke up, bro.
Goofy ass.
Gotta hit tomorrow morning.
And we in here. Homie, we about to go pick up his parts and shit.
Let's go.
Not gonna fucking shit up. In the streets of Hillcrest, California. Hillcrest booty bangers.
Throw the set.
Throw the set.
Hey, throw the set. Throw the set.
Yeah, I'm about to throw it back. That's a set.
But yeah, we're about to go pick up the parts, fix this fool's car, because
These from
this is fucking up. Okay, so we got the bumper. Everything's good to go. Now we just got to fill up the fucking car with some motherfucking water. So let's go do that shit. Here we go. Putting that young water in that bitch. So it's the same thing that happened to my RSX. This shit fucking cracked right here. Oh my god. Here, let me do it. Alright, I gotta take over. You guys see this shit? Here. Let's see if I got it. Kill my ass.
Hey, watch. That shit's hard to get it. Because it's like, you can't tilt it all the way.
Oh my god. Fucking wind.
But anyways, I need to change that because there's a cut right there. And this thing, it's like...
Oh my god, bro, you moved it.
Is this car legal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Yeah, I think it's... Actually, you're right. I don't think it is.
Damn.
Hey, who's tripping? You a Fed?
Gotta be.
But I got the radiator. I just need to switch it out. Luckily, they had one at AutoZone. That was the only one they had in stock.
That's it.
Alright. Moment of truth. We put that young water. We got the coolant right here, just chilling. It's like, hey, copyright.
Oh yeah, copyright.
Hey. Alright, so we're about to head home. Wish us luck. Hopefully that temp gauge does not go up over there.
Once
now
it starts
looks
sitting
good.
right here, I'm gonna stop. Cause that's when it starts hella fucking. Like you can feel it. It starts like rumbling.
Well, we're gonna try and go home and see what's up. We probably might have to make a couple stops, but hopefully not. But, yep, so we'll keep you guys updated on this madness if anything goes down. Which I doubt it. I think we'll be fine, hopefully. What you think?
We'll be fine. I feel like just one stop, if anything. But I mean, we'll make it. We'll make it there, and then enough time to change it out.
Got the new one right here. So we gotta double check and see if it's for a fucking automatic or manual. But other than that, we're gonna just install that shit today, and then the bumper, and it should be good to go. We gotta fucking remove apparently everything on this bitch. So you gotta remove the tail lights, and then undo all these clips and shit to put on this fucking bumper.
Hey, part out.
Part out?
No, let me know.
Let them know. Let them know.
Let me know.
Focus on the earrings. Little bling bling boy.
We got all these fucking shits to take off and shit. We're gonna get on that and then put that bumper. Apparently that bumper doesn't match. This one has sparkles and shit. That one's just plain black. So, fuck it.
Oh, down like that.
Yep, like that. Fuck it. Look at all those clips. That one's good.
Stuck my shit up.
Broken. And still there. There we go, fucking bozo. What time is it? Like 6:58. Took us 3 hours. Literally what I didn't want, but hey, fuck it. It's a whole fucking learning experience with this one at least. This one took us 3 hours to get. It was such a pain in the butt, but we got it taken care of. We switched out the old radiator with the new one, so the new one's up there and running now, and it seems it's good to go now. So this wraps up today's video. As you guys know, we got these confetti seats, and we fucking fixed this goddamn coolant shit, and we fixed this bumper. So the homie's bumper, you guys can see, homie let his homie drive that shit, and he ended up fucking it up.
Yep, never let your homies ride.
So now he's out here with an unmatched, no paint matched bumper, but hey, fuck it. That's what happens when you're a bozo. Anyways, that wraps up today's video. You guys are gonna see a surprise, a new car purchase reveal, and what that's gonna mean for later on in the future in this channel, and as well as many things that are coming. So I look forward to that, and I hope you guys enjoy it and cruise through with us, and hopefully this will be a build in the channel too. So we got plans, we just got to crunch them out, you know. So see you guys on the next one.